Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, attended a public gathering in Dras as people celebrated the decision of granting district status to the region. The LG was accompanied by Deputy Commissioner, CEO LHDC Kargil, Shrikant Balasab Suse, Senior Superintendent of Police, Kargil Shriram R, and other officials. The LG received a grand welcome by the people of Dras, who were happy and celebrating the decision of granting district status to Dras region, which was a long pending demand. While addressing the public gathering, the LG Dr. B.D. Mishra congratulated the people of Dras for getting district status as announced by the Government of India. LG Ladakh and First Lady Neelam Mishra visited Government Degree College Dras, where he inaugurated hostel block, residential zone and pickle making skill center. On the occasion of inaugural ceremony, the Lieutenant Governor expressed happiness over the participation of girl students in large number than boys. He said the participation of girl students is necessary for the progress of society. Ladakh MP Mohammad Hanifa thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah after the Union Home Minister of Home Affairs announced to create the 5 new districts in Ladakh and urged to develop the districts. He said, I thank PM Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah for this. I also congratulate the people of the newly formed 5 districts, Dras, Zanskar, Nubra, Sham and Changthang. Many areas of Kargil, the most populated region of Ladakh, have been ignored. For the last many years, there has been a demand of 4 other districts from the Kargil district. Filmmaker actor Farhan Akhtar is currently in Ladakh for the shoot of one of his projects. He took to Instagram and shared a scenic picture from the mountainous region and wrote back in Ladakh after Laksh and Bhag Milkha Bhag to shoot for a very special film, details to be revealed soon. Farhan did not mention the name of the film, but fans speculated if he is there for Dawn 3 or Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara 2. The comment section is filled with guesses. Is Z and MD2 on the cards? A social media user commented, please make Z and MD2, a fan requested. Farhan loves Ladakh a lot. He has often expressed how surreal he feels whenever he visits the picturesque Union Territory. A review meeting was held by Executive Councillor for RDD Tashi Namgyal Yakzi to finalize the arrangements for the death anniversary observance of former Chairman CEC LHDC Leh, late Dorje Motup. The event will take place at the Dorje Motup Memorial Park in Housing Conley on September 1st. The meeting was attended by Councillor Kungyam Thinles Nurbu, Private Secretary to the CC Chairman Jigmet Raftan and others. During the meeting, attendees reviewed and discussed the various logistical and ceremonial arrangements required for the event. In a strong initiative to empower women and promote physical fitness, Mission Shakti organized a special self-defense training program on the occasion of National Sports Day. The event was held at Elizer Joldan Memorial College Leh, which aligned with the spirit of National Sports Day, aimed to promote empowerment and safety among women and girls. The session began with a comprehensive briefing by District Coordinator Diskit Ladol, who provided an overview of Mission Shakti schemes and their objectives.